So welcome to Cuzzies. Yeah, so this is Bertram, this is where Cuzzies, where the headquarters, this is where it all begins. Yeah, come inside.
My name is Thor Hajnal. I've been in Perth, WA for the last 11 years and we've been in this space of ours here in the gym for 4 months now.
I moved over here 1 year ago tomorrow. Yeah, since I've been here it's just been really easy, the transition.
That's 7 all up, thank you, Cuzzy. We came over in 2008 with our little whānau from home, and then we couldn't sort of find a kai sort of thing. My husband used to go on and on about, gee, I'm missing kai, so you must miss that taste from home. And he was right. That's how we ended up in the shop, and that was about 2014 was our first sort of experience in it.
Back in Hawke's Bay where we were, the trajectory of life was just very similar and the same, and there was nothing, I guess, new and exciting. And so when you're young, you don't really have any fear, and we always had in the back of our mind, if it doesn't work out, home's always home, so we can always go home.
I'd never been to Perth before. I was wondering, well, there's plenty of mines here, and when there's a mine, there's a Māori or two. So I started out in the mines to start with, and just to put the feelers out there. I did network a bit, and found there's a lot of Māori here. So soon realised that I'll be able to carry on my mahi here, like I did back home.
I think the hardest part is not having that family support here, but knowing that we have this team around us, the village around us, that's why we named it the village, is because it literally took everyone in this gym to get to where we are.
Yeah, missed home all the time, but I noticed that when the whānau comes in, it's a win-win. When I see them, I don't feel so homesick. I feel like I'm actually at home. I feel like we're a dairy on the corner and they're just coming into the dairy, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was always a bit of a worry. Are you going to have enough work over here to support the family, and are we going to be able to carry on doing what we do as a whānau, like with our hunting and diving and fishing, and seem to work out.
Right, so we've got chest to bar, that'll be our starting out, holding for another few seconds.
I would love to be able to take this back home to New Zealand. Our main focus is to just build this place to be really known for that good cultured gym, that good vibe, that good community base, that fun, exciting, energetic place that just brings happiness to everyone's lives.